Hello folks. Welcome to Man with the Mask. And today we're going to be discussing one of the most talked about social media platforms of recent times, TikTok. It has taken the world by storm, and in this video, we'll be exploring what makes it so appealing and why it has become so popular so quickly. TikTok is a short video social media platform that was launched in 2016 by the Chinese company ByteDance. It allows users to create and share 15-second to 3 minutes videos set to music, lip sync, dance, or comedy sketches. The platform uses artificial intelligence to personalize content for each user and recommends videos based on their interests and behavior. So, why has TikTok become so popular so quickly? One reason is the platform's ease of use and user-friendly interface. Creating a video on TikTok is as simple as selecting a song, filming yourself, and editing it with the various filters and effects available. The app's algorithm also helps users discover new and trending content, making it easy to find content they enjoy. Another reason is the sheer variety of content available on the platform. From dance challenges to cooking tutorials, there is something for everyone on TikTok. The platform has also become a hub for creative expression, with users putting their own unique spin on popular trends and creating new ones of their own. TikTok has also successfully tapped into the younger demographic, who are always looking for new and exciting ways to express themselves. The platform's short video format is perfect for this generation's short attention span and on-the-go lifestyle. In addition to its widespread popularity, TikTok also offers a valuable marketing opportunity for businesses. Brands can create and promote their products through sponsored ads, influencer partnerships, and by participating in popular challenges and trends. TikTok's ease of use, variety of content, and ability to tap into the younger demographic have all contributed to its quick rise in popularity. As the platform continues to grow, it will be interesting to see how it evolves and what new features it introduces. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Till next. Peace out everybody.